Hi, this is the Pixel tab and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do that, open first the control panel and somewhere here you should find the scan QR codes icon. If you don't see this icon here, tap to this edit icon, scroll down and find the QR code scanner, hold it, drag it to your panel, tap to go back to save the changes, and now click to QR code scanner. After that, we should place our QR code inside of this frame. So let's do this. Okay, wait a second. Now we could open this QR code with the help of the internet with the browser. So tap to OK and we could see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. That's how to scan QR codes with our device help. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.